For today's easy recipe, I'll be showing you how to make chewy white chocolate coconut cookies. To begin, in a medium bowl, place 1 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of fine sea salt. Whisk this until everything is well combined and then set aside. In a separate large bowl, place 1/2 cup of softened salted butter, 1/3 of a cup of granulated white sugar, and 1/3 of a cup of packed brown sugar. I'm using dark brown sugar, but you could also use light brown sugar. Cream this on medium-low for 2 to 3 minutes or until the butter and sugars are well incorporated. Next, add in 1 large room temperature egg as well as 1/2 teaspoon of coconut extract. If you don't have coconut extract, you could just use vanilla, and this would result in a more subtle coconut flavor in these cookies. Mix this for 2 to 3 minutes on medium-low or until it's nice and light and airy. Now we can add in those dry ingredients, and we're going to mix this on low until it's just incorporated. As always, all of these instructions as well as the full written recipe can be found in the description box below. Next, add 1 cup of sweetened shredded coconut, and once again mix on low until it is well incorporated and no streaks of flour remain. Lastly, add in 1/2 cup of white chocolate chips, and then using a spatula, mix these into your dough until they are evenly incorporated. I'm going to use a 1½ tablespoon cookie scoop and drop these onto parchment-lined cookie sheets. You could also drop them by the heaping tablespoonful if you don't have a cookie scoop. Leave some room for spreading. These will bake in an oven preheated to 350 Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius for 7 to 9 minutes. Remove them as soon as the edges are golden brown and allow them to cool in the pan for a couple of minutes before moving to a wire rack. These chewy cookies have quite a soft center, so I recommend letting them set for at least 10 minutes. The combination of chewy coconut and creamy white chocolate gives these cookies a lovely texture and flavor. If you have enjoyed this recipe, I'd appreciate it so much if you would like or subscribe. And as always, thanks so much for watching.